Okay, guys, welcome to the demo number 3 in this course. Now I'm gonna show you remote code execution via file upload. So yeah, I can here upload an image, and I'm gonna show you my interesting image, actually the content of this image. Here it is. The image is david.php.jpg. So, well, it ends with JPG, but as you can see, it includes a very simple piece of code in PHP, PHP info, right? So this is a proof of concept showing that RCE is possible. So I'm going to upload this image to the web application, and I'm going to show you that a file with an extension like JPG can be executed when add handler is used instead of set handler in PHP, okay? So this is what I'm going to present to you. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go to my testing web application. I'm gonna just upload this file. So david.php.jpg. Click open, upload image. Okay, file has been successfully uploaded and it is available here. So let me now click right, open a new tab. And what you can see is, well, it's very nice. You can see again the name of the file, david.php.jpg in the URL. And well, it doesn't look like a JPG. It doesn't look like an image. You see here that indeed the content of this file has been executed. So add handler is used instead of set handler in the configuration file, and that's the reason why this attack is possible, because as I explained to you, add handler is trying to find .php somewhere in the name of the file, and once .php is found somewhere in the name of the file, then this file is executed. So then you can see what you see right now on the screen. Really nice and really powerful. And let me mention one thing right now. Even if you've got a whitelisting in your web application, then this whitelisting will not help you. What I mean here is that when you are going to upload an image, then you are going to check the file extensions, right? Like for images, JPG, GIF, and stuff like that. It will not help you because now I can go smoothly through this whitelist because the file extension doesn't matter, right? What matters is whether .php is somewhere in the name of the file, of course, in the case of add handler, right? So this is it. And let me now go to the configuration file of PHP and let me show you how the behavior is very much different in case of set handler, right? So add handler is very counterintuitive, and now I'm gonna show you that set handler works according to our intuition, and yeah, so let me present it to you. So the configuration file of my PHP is here. So let me open it, and you can see that I'm using add handler, right? And this is what you can see in your config file on default. So let me emphasize it. This is what you can find on default in your config file. And then what you have to do immediately is just comment it out and, use set handler instead, right? Now I commented out add handler and I instructed the PHP to use set handler. Well, right now I have to save it, right? And in addition to this, I have to restart Apache. Otherwise, this change will not be effective, okay? So let me do it. Apache 2, restart. Now Apache has been restarted. So let me go to this, let's say, image in between the quotes. because it's not actually an image. Let me refresh it and let me show you how the behavior is very much different when setHandler is used instead of addHandler. Now you see the message, the image david.php.jpg cannot be displayed because it contains errors. And this is what we expect, right? setHandler, again, let me repeat it to you, setHandler is intuitive. So when a file ends with .jpg, then it will be displayed. Well, now the web application tries to display this image, but well, it contains errors. Indeed, it contains errors because it actually contains the PHP code, which is not an image, so it cannot be displayed, right? But I want you to really remember this thing. setHandler is intuitive. addHandler is really counterintuitive. Check out your config file. And now I believe that you understand the differences. You see how dangerous things can happen as a result of using addHandler instead of setHandler. And when you are a hacker, you can really enjoy this video and you can really use this knowledge to earn a lot of money in bug bounty programs. Because as you can see, this attack in action is quite easy, I would say, but you need to have this knowledge. And you can find file upload functionality in almost every web application nowadays. So it basically means that great chances are for you to exploit this kind of problem in bug bounty programs. So let me keep my fingers crossed. I do believe that you find this demo really exciting, inspiring, and powerful. So that's it for this demo. So let me right now jump to another RCE attack in this course.